Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Shadasheia and I'm back. And tonight, or today, or no, it really is tonight. But the video is gonna be uploaded today. So first of all, let me say, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to be notified when your girl uploads new content, so you can be the first one to know when I upload a new video. So as you can tell by the title of this video is for my naturals, my women with locks, men, my people that wear wigs and wigs, all of that good stuff. This video is for you guys that want to wear hair wraps. So if you're interested in this video, I'm gonna stop babbling and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so this first hair wrap, I purchased this hair wrap from City Trends for $2. It may was $2.99, but y'all, $3. It is really cute. I don't buy a lot of stuff from City Trends, but their hair wraps are so cute. And y'all, this is just a really simple way to just look cute. And I don't know, y'all might not like it, but I like it. It's just really simple. I just put it on my head and kind of twisted it up, and I pulled it in the back, and I just tucked it up underneath the back of the, or the side of the scarf, just to hold it in place. And y'all, that's it. Okay, for the second style, I'm keeping the hair wrap pretty much on my head just like the first time I did the hair wrap. But this time I'm twisting the two pieces just like you would kind of twist your regular hair. And I'm pulling it back and I'm just going to tuck it on the sides. Pretty much the same concept as the first style I did with the hair wrap. It just looked a little bit different. Let me know which one you guys like the best out of the first one and the second one. Okay guys, for this one, I think this one is like by far one of my favorite styles to do when I wear my hair wraps. I call this the mohawk because your hair is kind of pulled up in the mohawk. I like to leave my sides down, I don't know, just to give it a little but I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail. I buy these hair ties, I think at like CVS or Walgreens. But yeah, I'm just pulling it on just like I did before, but this time I'm leaving my hair out in the front like a mohawk, and I'm just going to kind of, you know, spread some of my dreads out just to, you know, give it that look. But I think I do my hair like this when I wrap it. I do most of my hair wraps like this. This is like I said, this is my favorite. This is by far my favorite style when I wrap my hair. Okay, you guys, so if you have a lot of hair, you have a big puff or a lot of dreads, you may not need to do this step, but because I like my ball to be, I like to have a big ball, so I added just some, the thing that I'm actually adding is actually an actual hair wrap for locks, but I'm using that just to make my ball bigger, and I'm just adding my scarf. Oh, let me tell y'all about this scarf. This is not even a scarf, y'all. I got this from City Trends as well. This is like a I don't know what y'all call them. I call them a muumuu or like a dashiki. You know, like the gowns or like the dresses that you just lounge in around your house. That's what this is. And I got this from City Trends. A lot of times they go on sale, but I got this and it wasn't even on sale, and it was $5.99. And they have so many bright colors, a lot of like African colors. I just love getting these. Like I said, they're so cheap. If you have a local City Trends, girl, go get you some. Boy, go get you some. They are so cute, and they make the perfect hair wraps. Like, y'all, I like this style too. I'm feeling myself with this wrap and this little, I'm feeling it. Like, it's so cute. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all like another style that you can do if you don't want to just wrap it all in the front. You can actually pull it in the back, and it kind of just gives you this, I don't know. It's cute though. So I'm just showing you guys another little style that you can do also with your DIY hair wrap. Once again, I'm showing you guys another DIY hair wrap. This is a skirt that I pulled out of my closet that I really don't wear anymore. And I just pulled my dress back into a side ponytail in the back using the same hair tie that I used earlier. You can put it on the side. You can also put it in the like straight in the back. I just wanted to put mine on the side because I thought it was a little bit cuter, and I felt like it'd be easier to show you guys on camera. That way I didn't have to like really turn around. But yeah, I'm just taking the skirt, putting it on my head, and I'm just wrapping the ponytail in a ball. And I'm taking the excess skirt, the bottom of the skirt, and just wrapping it around my ponytail to make a huge ball. Last but not least, if you want your locks, you know, to hang down, you want some hang time, I'm just pulling my locks down. I'm adding that same thing that I added before, and this is the same scarf that I used earlier that I said I bought for $2 or $2.99. I'm just making a ball at the top of my head, and then I'm just wrapping that scarf around the ball just to give my hair some definition. With that ball, it's just cute. You know, you don't even have to have the ball if you don't want. You can leave it out if you want, and just to have a flat hair wrap. But this is the last look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments which hair wrap you like best and which style do you prefer. Make sure you also subscribe. Thanks for watching your girl, and make sure you return for more videos. Love ya.